Humanity has always been captivated by the stars. For centuries, we gazed upon the Milky Way, a hazy band of light stretching across the night sky, unaware of its true nature. Today, we know it as our galaxy, a massive spiral of billions of stars, gas, and dust. But what if we wanted to leave our cosmic home? What if we dreamed of venturing beyond the Milky Way into the vast expanse of the universe? The idea seems impossible, daunting, yet incredibly alluring. To comprehend the challenge of escaping the Milky Way, we must grasp its immense size. The Milky Way is not just a collection of stars, but a vast cosmic structure that stretches across the universe. It contains billions of stars, planets, and other celestial objects, all bound together by gravity. Imagine shrinking our sun, a star with a diameter of 1.4 million kilometers, to the size of a grain of sand. This tiny grain represents the immense energy and mass of our sun, which is just one of the billions of stars in the Milky Way. Each star, like our sun, has its own system of planets and other celestial bodies. On this scale, the Milky Way, spanning 100,000 light-years across, would be the size of the continental United States. This comparison helps us visualize the sheer enormity of our galaxy. Each light-year represents the distance light travels in 1 year, which is about 9.46 trillion kilometers. So, when we say the Milky Way is 100,000 light-years across, we are talking about an almost incomprehensible distance. Even traveling at the speed of light, it would take 100,000 years to cross our galaxy. Light speed is the fastest speed in the universe, yet it still takes an immense amount of time to traverse the Milky Way. This highlights the vastness of space and the incredible distances between celestial objects. This incredible distance makes escaping the Milky Way a task of extraordinary proportions. The vastness of our galaxy is both awe-inspiring and daunting. It challenges our understanding of space and our place within it. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we gain a deeper appreciation for the scale and complexity of the universe we inhabit. Escaping the Milky Way isn't just about covering vast distances, it's about overcoming the galaxy's gravitational pull. Imagine a ball rolling down a hill. To escape the hill's pull, the ball needs a certain speed. Similarly, to escape the Milky Way's grasp, a spacecraft needs to achieve a specific velocity known as the escape velocity. For our galaxy, this cosmic speed limit is approximately 550 kilometers per second. That's over 1,000 times faster than the speed of sound. Our current spacecraft, though impressive, are far from reaching these mind-boggling speeds. The Voyager 1 spacecraft, the farthest human-made object from Earth, travels at a mere 17 kilometers per second. At this speed, it would take Voyager 1 tens of thousands of years just to exit our solar system, let alone the entire Milky Way. Clearly, conventional chemical rockets, with their limited fuel and efficiency, are inadequate for this interstellar voyage. Section 5. Reaching for the stars. Propulsion of the future. To conquer interstellar distances, we need revolutionary propulsion systems. One concept is fusion propulsion, harnessing the power of the stars themselves. By fusing atoms like hydrogen into helium, immense energy can be released, propelling a spacecraft to a significant fraction of the speed of light. Another intriguing possibility is antimatter propulsion, where matter and antimatter annihilate upon contact, releasing unimaginable amounts of energy. While still theoretical, these technologies hold the potential to unlock interstellar travel in the distant future. Section 6. The Cosmic Odyssey's Challenges, a long and perilous journey. Even if we overcome the technological hurdles, a journey beyond the Milky Way presents numerous challenges. The vastness of space is not just a physical barrier, but a psychological one as well. Imagine being confined to a spacecraft for generations, knowing that you might never see the destination yourself, but your descendants might. The mental fortitude required for such a mission is immense. The spacecraft would need to be self-sufficient, carrying enough fuel, resources, and life support systems for a journey spanning thousands if not millions of years. This means advanced recycling systems for air, water, and food. Every ounce of material would need to be reused and recycled to sustain life over such an extended period. The engineering challenges are monumental. It would need shielding from interstellar radiation, which is far more intense than anything we experience on Earth. The spacecraft's hull would need to be made of materials that can withstand this constant exposure. A constant bombardment of high-energy particles that can damage electronics and harm living organisms. These particles can penetrate most materials, so the shielding would need to be incredibly robust, possibly using magnetic fields or advanced materials we have yet to develop. And how do you navigate through a constantly changing universe where stars are born and die and gravitational fields shift? The navigation systems would need to be incredibly advanced, capable of adapting to new data and recalculating routes in real time. Avoiding collisions with rogue planets, asteroids, and other cosmic debris, the spacecraft would need advanced detection systems to identify and avoid these hazards long before they pose a threat. This journey is not just a test of technology but of human endurance and ingenuity. Section 7. Beyond the Horizon, Possibilities and Speculations. Despite the challenges, the human spirit yearns to explore the unknown. If we were to escape the Milky Way, what awaits us? Perhaps we would encounter other galaxies, each with its unique collection of stars, planets, and maybe even other life forms. We might discover remnants of ancient cosmic events, unveiling the secrets of the universe's birth and evolution. Or perhaps we would find ourselves truly alone, the only intelligent life in a vast and indifferent cosmos. Section 8. The Unquenchable Thirst. Why escape the Milky Way? This question might seem like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's a topic that has intrigued scientists, philosophers, and dreamers alike for generations. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is a vast and wondrous place, filled with billions of stars, planets, and countless mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Yet, the idea of leaving it behind and venturing into the unknown realms of the universe is a concept that continues to captivate the human imagination. Why would humanity even attempt such a daunting feat? The answer lies in our inherent curiosity, our insatiable desire to explore, to push boundaries, and to seek out new frontiers. From the earliest days of human history, we have been driven by a need to understand the world around us, to discover what lies beyond the next horizon. The answer lies in our inherent curiosity, a trait that has been a defining characteristic of our species. From the moment we first looked up at the night sky and wondered about the stars, to the present day, where we send probes and telescopes to the farthest reaches of space, our quest for knowledge has been unrelenting. Our need to explore and understand the world around us is deeply ingrained in our DNA. It's what drove early humans to migrate out of Africa, to cross oceans, and to climb the highest mountains. This same drive compels us to look beyond our own planet, to the stars and galaxies that make up the universe. Just as our ancestors ventured beyond their familiar horizons, driven by a thirst for knowledge and new resources, we too might feel the pull of the cosmos. The desire to explore is not just about finding new places, it's about understanding our place in the universe, about answering the fundamental questions of existence. Driven by a thirst for knowledge and new resources, our ancestors braved the unknown, facing countless dangers and challenges. Their journeys were not just about survival, but about discovery, about pushing the limits of what was possible. In the same way, our journey to escape the Milky Way would be about more than just reaching a new destination. We too might feel the pull of the cosmos, urging us to unravel its mysteries. The vastness of space holds countless secrets, and each discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the nature of reality itself. The journey to escape the Milky Way would be a monumental challenge, but it would also be an incredible opportunity for growth and advancement. Urging us to unravel its mysteries, the cosmos beckons with the promise of new knowledge and new horizons. The stars and galaxies that fill the night sky are not just distant points of light, they are gateways to new realms of understanding, to new possibilities that we can scarcely imagine. Escaping the Milky Way wouldn't just be about reaching a new destination. It would be about pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. It would require us to develop new technologies, to solve problems that we can't even conceive of yet, and to work together in ways that we never have before. It would be about pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity, about finding new ways to overcome the challenges that lie ahead. The journey would be a testament to our creativity, our resilience, and our determination to reach for the stars, and expanding our understanding of our place in the universe. Each step we take into the unknown brings us closer to answering the age-old questions of who we are, where we come from, and where we are going. The The journey to escape the Milky Way is not just a physical one, it's a journey of the mind and spirit, a journey that will define the future of humanity. Section 9. A final thought. Our place in the universe. As we stand on the precipice of this cosmic frontier, we must reflect on our own existence. Are we content with being confined to our little corner of the universe? Or are we destined to venture beyond, to seek out new life and new civilizations? The answer, my friends, lies not in the stars, but in ourselves. For it is within us, within the human spirit, that the true potential for exploration and discovery resides.